Hello, this is Mark from the Swamp School. I want to tell you about an exciting new workshop that we're offering this spring. It's in April of 2019 on dam removal projects and functional uplift design, and essentially calculating functional uplift for dam removal projects. We're doing this in coordination with the Army Corps of Engineers regulatory guidance letter that came out in 2018, 18-1. And what makes this project really exciting is that we have an actual site to go to. We're going to a real dam removal project. It's here in Raleigh, North Carolina. It was built about a year ago. They removed the dam. It was a very controversial project in number of years and problems that they had with the dams. And they removed it, and they were able to restore the stream and recreate the whole system. And it's a really cool project. So we're going to include that as part of the overall class. We'll be actually looking at a pre-construction model, a post-construction model, and then we will be comparing different habitats in terms of how they've changed between a wetland, a stream, and a pond, essentially a mill pond, and how those are calculated out as far as stream credits and wetland credits and mitigation credits overall. Again, it is a project coming up this spring, and it will be in the beginning of April, so check our website at swampschool.org for more information, times and locations, and we'd love to see you out in the swamp. If you have any questions, give our office a call at 877-479-2673. And again, I look forward to seeing you. Take care.